There it is, severe thunderstorm watch.
Mostly clear. A chance of showers and thunderstorms in the evening.
There it is.
Effective until 10 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Boone, Bureau, Carroll, DeKalb, Wausau, Lee, Marshall, McHenry, Ogle, Stevenson, Whiteside, Winnebago, and Woodford, and the following counties in Wisconsin: Greene, Kenosha, Rock, and Walworth. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to Noaa weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. This is Noaa's Weather Radio, KZZ57 in Rockford. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area. This station will broadcast severe weather alarm tones for Winnebago, Boone, DeKalb, Ogle, Stevenson, and Lee counties in Illinois, as well as Rock and Greene counties in Wisconsin.
There you go.
Standard broadcasts will be curtailed to bring you the latest severe weather information. This is Noaa
There's
Weather
another
Radio,
skill discussion.
KZZ57 in Rockford. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area. This station will broadcast severe weather alarm tones for Winnebago, Boone, DeKalb, Ogle, Stevenson, and Lee counties in Illinois, as well as Rock and Greene. Western Lee County in north central Illinois until 8:15 p.m. At 7:17 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Deer Grove, or 10 miles south of Rock Falls, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Amboy, Franklin Grove, Ashton, Sublette, Woodhaven Lakes, Harmon, Aldena, and Lee Center, including the following Interstate 88 between mile markers 58 and 68. This includes Lee County Fairgrounds. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is Noaa's Weather Radio, KZZ. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Ogle County in north central Illinois until 8:30 p.m. At 7:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Oregon, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Byron, Oregon, Davis Junction, Stillman Valley, Lindenwood, Monroe Center, Kings, and Shanna, including the following Interstate 39 between mile markers 108 and 114. This includes Castle Rock State Park, Loudon State Park, and Ogle County Fairgrounds. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is Noaa Weather Radio, KZZ57 in Rockford. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area. This station will broadcast severe weather alarm tones for Winnebago, Boone, DeKalb, Ogle, Stevenson, and Lee counties in Illinois, as well as Rock and Greene counties in Wisconsin.
There we go. There's one for DeKalb. I'm about to blow up, basically.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern LaSalle County in north central Illinois, southeastern Lee County in north central Illinois, southern DeKalb County in north central Illinois, until 8:45 p.m. At 7:40 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Sublette, or near Mendota, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, trained weather spotters.
Oh, dang.
At 7:30 p.m., trained weather spotters reported tree damage in southwestern Lee County with this storm. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Sandwich, Mendota, Sheridan, Shabona, Lake Holiday, Hinckley, Somonauk, Earlville, Waterman, Serena, Leland, Paw Paw, Millington, Lee, Compton, Troy Grove, West Brooklyn, Triumph, Harding, and Prairie Center. Including the following Interstate 39 between mile marker 65 and 89. This includes Sandwich Fairgrounds and Tri-County Fairgrounds. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Severe thunderstorm watch number 492 remains in effect until 10 p.m., which includes the following counties in Illinois: Boone, Vero, Carroll, DeKalb, LaSalle, Lee, Marshall, McHenry, Ogle, Stevenson.
Everything's flashing.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, central DeKalb County in north central Illinois, King County in northeastern Illinois, until 9:15 p.m. At 8:17 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Somonauk, or near Sandwich, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. The strongest winds are moving toward Hinckley, Caneville, and Sugar Grove. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Aurora, Joliet, DeKalb, Bartlett, Plainfield, St. Charles, Oswego, West Chicago, Batavia, Geneva, Yorkville, Camden Hills, Minooka, Plano, Sandwich, Shabona, South Elgin, Montgomery, North Aurora, and Sugar Grove. Including the following interstates: Interstate 80 between mile markers 120 and 122. Interstate 88 between mile markers 92 and 120. This includes Aurora University, Fermilab, Illinois Math and Science Academy, King County Cougars Ballpark, and Waubonsee Community College. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning remains weather, including large...
Are they gonna air it? Come on.
In and close to the
Right there.
area.
That's new.
Oh. Wait. Yep. Come on. Oh, wait, they gotta finish a stupid severe thunderstorm watch.
Stay tuned to Noaa Weather Radio.
That's kind of really dumb that they do that.
Or internet sources for
Alright.
the latest severe weather information.
Now. There it is. I'm about to blow up. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Will County in northeastern Illinois, DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, Central Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 9:45 p.m. At 8:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Yorkville, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, trained weather spotters. Oh.
A 64 miles per hour wind gust was measured in Plano.
Oh.
Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings.
Yeah.
Locations impacted include Aurora, Joliet, Naperville, Bolingbrook, Orland Park, Tinley Park, Wheaton, Downers Grove, Elmhurst, Lombard, Bartlett, Carroll Stream, Romeoville, Plainfield, Hanover Park, Addison, Glendale Heights, Elk Grove Village,
St. Charles and Woodridge, including the following interstates. Interstate 55 between mile markers 249 and 282. Interstate 80 between mile markers 123 and 148. Interstate 88 between mile markers 121 and 140. Interstate 290 between mile markers 5 and 19. Interstate 355 between mile markers 1 and 30. This includes Argonne National Laboratory, Brookfield Zoo, University of St. Francis, Benedictine University, Chicagoland Speedway, Route 66 Raceway, College of DuPage, DuPage County Fairgrounds, Joliet Junior College, Joliet Slammers Baseball, Lewis University, Moraine Valley Community College, Morton Arboretum, Wheaton College, and North Central College. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 9:15 p.m. for Kendall and southern Kane counties. At 8:42 p.m.
Braden, about to get loud.
The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Calumet Harbor, nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake until 11 p.m. At 8:57 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Elgin to near Joliet, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Harrison Beaver, Crib, Wilmette Harbor, 31st Street Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Burns Harbor, Calumet Harbor, Indiana Harbor, Montrose Harbor, Burns Harbor, Jackson Park,
Dude,
and Beaumont Harbor.
how many times are you gonna tip that bloody fan over?
A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 9:15 p.m. for Kendall and southern Kane counties.
Bro, I just realized I wasn't recording that whole time.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for East Central Kane County in northeastern Illinois, DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, until 9:45 p.m. At 9:02 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight-line wind damage were located over Geneva, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. These dangerous storms will be near West Chicago, Warren Hill, and DuPage Airport around 9:05 p.m. Bartlett, Winfield, and Wayne around 9:10
Around
p.m.
9:05 p.m. It's literally 9:04 right
Carroll
now.
Stream, Glen Ellen, and Bloomingdale around 9:15 p.m. Lombard, Hanover Park, and Glendale Heights around 9:20 p.m. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Addison, Roselle, Villa Park, Itasca, Elmhurst, Elk Grove Village, Bensonville, and Wooddale. This includes Benedictine University, College of DuPage, DuPage County Fairgrounds, Kane County Cougars Ballpark, Morton Arboretum, Wheaton College, and North Central College. Including the following interstates: Interstate 88 between mile markers 123 and 139. Interstate 290 between mile markers 5 and 15. Interstate 355 between mile markers 19 and 30. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Love English.
Y'all see anything?
41 Crystal Lake. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening
Oh,
area.
maybe that's it.
This station will broadcast
I think that's
severe
it.
weather.
What is that? I have no idea what this is. Oh, no, severe thunderstorm warning. Ow! Hurts my ears.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 10 p.m. At 9:05 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Lisle, or over Naperville, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Chicago, Elgin, Cicero, Arlington Heights, Evanston, Schaumburg, Palatine, Skokie, Des Plaines, Orland Park, Tinley Park, Oak Lawn, Berwyn, Mount Prospect, Hoffman Estates, Oak Park, Glenview, Bartlett, O'Hare Airport, and Streamwood. Including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 282 and 294. Interstate 57 between mile markers 353 and 358. Interstate 90 between mile markers 57 and 105. Interstate 94 between mile markers 30 and 66. Interstate 290 between mile markers 1 and 5, and between mile markers 20 and 29. Interstate 294 between mile markers 30 and 66. This includes Brookfield Zoo, Lincoln Park Zoo, Loyola University, Oakland Community College, Schaumburg Boomers Baseball, SeatGeek Stadium, Triton College, University of Chicago, Windy City Thunderbolts Baseball, Harper College, Hawthorne Park, Northeastern Illinois University, Northwestern University, Soldier Field, University of Illinois Chicago, Guaranteed Rate Field, Illinois Institute of Technology, Wheatley Field, The Loop, Museum of Science and Industry, Museum Campus, and Northerly Island.
Jeez.
Has issued a tornado warning for
That came out of nowhere.
Don't know.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Lake County in northeastern Illinois, north central
Lake?
Cook County in
Oh,
northeastern Illinois, until 10:15 p.m. At 9:30 p.m.,
No.
a severe thunderstorm
Storms don't
was
do that.
located over
They don't
Arlington
just flip a
Heights,
U-turn.
moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with
No,
gusts.
not really.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
Wait.
Locations
Oh,
impacted
okay.
include Waukegan, Arlington Heights, Palatine, Hoffman Estates, Buffalo Grove, Wheeling, Northbrook, North Chicago, Gurnee, Mundelein, Highland Park, Vernon Hills, Zion, Libertyville, Lake
Thick
Zurich,
thunder.
Lake Forest, Deerfield, Prospect Heights, Beach Park, and Glencoe. Including the following interstates: Interstate 94 between mile markers 12 and 30. Interstate 294 between mile markers 12 and 30. This includes Great Lakes Naval Training Center, Lake Forest College, and Ravinia Music Festival. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm